Welcome back to Sharebility Uganda, your #1 channel for primary leaving examinations preparation and past papers walkthroughs. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Highway Examinations Primary 7 Quality Assessment 2025 for Integrated Science. This is a top-quality mock set designed to sharpen your skills and get you fully ready for the real PLE. Grab your pen, paper, and the question paper right now. Watch carefully as we go through each question step by step. Pause the video whenever you need time to think, write down your answers, and try solving them on your own before we reveal the solutions. This active practice is the best way to build confidence and master those tricky integrated science topics. Let's get started and make this session super effective. Hit play and let's ace this paper together. That wraps up our complete walkthrough of the Highway Examinations Primary 7 Quality Assessment 2025 Integrated Science paper. How did you perform? Make sure to revisit any sections you found challenging and keep practicing. If this video helped you, please smash that like button, drop a comment with your score or the toughest question, and share it with your classmates who are also preparing for PLE. Don't forget to subscribe to Sharebility Uganda and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest exam breakdowns, marking guides, and more revision videos. We're uploading regularly to help every Primary 7 learner succeed. See you in the next one. Keep pushing, you've got this.